It blows my mind away that one of the fastest cruiser bikes out there is a 650cc bike. Cue the intro. What's up guys, I'm Sean from Srkcycles, and this is the legendary Kawasaki Vulcan S 650. I love these bikes. These things are a blast to drive. With its cool, it's got, I forget what they call it, like ergo tech or something like that, where the handlebars move up. This moves up in different ways, and the seat actually changes positions that it fits for a wide range of height and size people. But what's the most unique thing about this bike is how it actually has the engine out of a sport bike. It's got the same engine as the Ninja 650, which is a perfect entry-level sport bike. Now, in terms of sport bikes, you know, it's quick but not crazy fast. But in terms of cruiser bikes, and you start putting this in a different category, it ends up being incredibly fast. We actually put this bike up against a 2010 Srkcycles. This thing smoked it. We put this thing up against my personal CVO Road King, and this thing went nose to nose, head to head with a CVO Road King. It was amazing. This thing has great bottom end, great top end, just an all-around really, really fun bike to ride. And I think the styling looks awesome. They do a lot of cool colors. They got green and black, and this is probably one of my favorite ones with this like this burnt flat orange type of thing. So this thing weighs in at just under 500 pounds and at 61 horsepower. I don't know what the torque numbers are, but it moves really, really well for what it is. Let's go to the test drive and do some 0 to 60s and show you how awesome this bike is. All right, guys, before we go on our test drive, let's do the words of wisdom. Joshua 1:8, this book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have success. Amen. Yeah. All right. Now, guys, you guys know that the Vulcan 650S, I don't even need to do a test drive on this bike. I've test driven this bike a bajillion times. You guys know I love this bike. It's nimble, it's quick. I took it head to head against a bunch of other bikes significantly bigger, and this should have been faster than it. This thing always comes out on top. This thing was as fast as my Harley Davidson CVO 110 Road King. I love the colors, they're comfortable. They just did a lot of cool stuff with this bike. So basically what we're gonna do, what we have not figured out yet, how fast it is 0 to 60. I don't think I ever did a 0 to 60 run on it. So we're gonna loop around and do it. Everything's light and easy on this bike. Clutch is light, brakes are tight and light. This bike just has so many good applications, such a big broad range of riders who would enjoy riding this thing, and because of that ergo sizing, you know, different heights and sizes of people can ride this bike. There now. Probably could have done that better, but you know what was crazy was after it hit 60, how much just rocketed it out, just kept on going really, really hard. Cruise is awesome on the highway, is comfortable. Now, what setting is this at? This is probably the most forward setting, I think. I don't know. And just has plenty. If you need to pass someone, if you're living in a state where you know the limit is 80 or 85 and everyone's cruising 95, this bike has it, man. This bike totally has it. You're going the speed limit, you just keeps on going. Just climb it. I'm not feeling excessive wind, just like pounding my chest or anything like that. Just a good, comfortable bike. Let's try that 0 to 60 one more time. I think I could do it a little bit better. So we've done a bunch of videos on these bikes, and I genuinely really like them. I think they're fun. I think they fit a lot of people. And I think I never knew about these bikes until I traded one in. And I don't think I don't think that there's very much buzz about them online. And I don't think the dealerships, the manufacturers, did a good job at informing people about them. I think the videos that we made about this bike, it did more to help sell this bike than any advertisements that the manufacturers did for them. I'm not trying to say it in a boastful way. I'm just trying to say, like, why didn't they talk about the bike? Why was there not more hype about it? Shifting gears is super easy. It is just a very easy bike to ride. There. I think we beat it. We'll see. All right, guys, this bike and a bunch of other awesome motorcycles are for sale on the website. We ship bikes all over the country, sometimes all over the world. Check it out, Srkcycles.com. Guys, if you're looking for motorcycle gloves, we have 2 types that we had manufactured ourselves to my specific specifications. The toughest gloves, the only gloves I trust my hands in. M1 Moto gloves. Check out the link below. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.